Hey, welcome to this new section. And yeah, as usual, here in the first lecture, I'll just give you a demonstration of the program that you'll be building. And yeah, so you'll have this program on your hands by the end of this section. And yeah, during my work as a freelancer, I've seen an increase in demand for getting data from the internet, from various clients. And these data can serve for different purposes. For instance, you may need property data from real estate websites, such as this one here, or you may need businesses, so a list of businesses, and you may want to look for that on Yellow Pages, or even information from Wikipedia. The problem is these websites, they don't give you like a CSV with the data that you're looking for, so they don't do that. And what you want to do in that case is you want to scrap data from these websites. And yeah, you may need data for different purposes. And we can do that. We can do web scraping. So the process is called web scraping. We can do that with Python. So Python is perfect for that. And basically what you do is you get these data and you store them in a table such as a pandas data frame here. And you can also export that easily in output. And yeah, in this section, what you're going to do is you're going to do web scraping on this real estate website. And so with Python, you're going to perform a search query on a certain location. So Python will search for data and then it will get those data and it will store them in this table. And then lastly, it will save them in an output CSV file. So everything is automatic. And you may want to get different attributes from the website. So in our case, we got this set of attributes. And yeah, you can get those data in a single run of the program. But of course, first of all, you need to build that program. And that's what we're going to do in the next lectures. So this is very useful. And in addition to learning web scraping, this will also boost your Python skills in general. And yeah, let's kick this off, and I'll talk to you in the next lecture.